G'day, today on Rhino Life we've got some venison that I acquired up the bush in northeast Victoria just last weekend. Been in the cool room for about 8 to 9 days. 2 back legs you can see here and 2 front legs. I'm going to make a summer sausage, and out of the top side roast and the back leg I'm going to make some silver side. So join in, watch me as I make this lovely summer recipe. Boned a heap of meat here. As you can see, our top sides here are going to be converted into silver sides. We'll inject them with some brine and soak them for 4 to 5 days. They should come up spot on. In the meantime, we've got to mince all this through our beautiful mincer. So we're nearly all the way there. As you can see, a bit of a medium coarse grind on this mincer today. Not too small or large, but yeah, the mince's come up pretty good. Okay, so we've ground up all our meat. We've all had a bit of a wash up. Even give myself a bit of a wash up, fresh, ready for making the snags. So looking forward to that. Today, what we're going to use in our mix is some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, some mustard, garlic and onion powder, sage leaves, some coarse ground pepper, and some allspice. So I've made a bit of a slurry. I use 1.5% salt to meat ratio. I've got 7 kilos here, which will fill our sausage filler, and that'll give us a complete bung. Today we're using a 30ml collagen bung. This is a natural dehydrated bung. Some people like to use the real deal wet version of these, the straight out of the cow or a pork intestine. So I've mixed up our herbs and salt. I'm going to put that in some ice water, make a bit of a slurry, mix it through, and add some cheese. So I've got 700 grams of cheese I'm going to add because I don't have any pork fat or any sort of other fats. So Alright, now with some clean washed hands, or we can use gloves if you like, we're going to massage this in. Give it a good couple of minutes, make sure we get all the herbs and spices and salt mixed in with the meat nice and thoroughly. It's actually quite therapeutic. Little massage. Smells good, should come out a ripping sausage. Fill up the sausage filler, push it down a bit, should be close to getting all this in. Full, click it into place, and just drop it down, just enough. Time to time up now. This is the fun bit. This actually goes to plan. Happy days. Trying to get them a sort of similar length. Easier said than done. And there you have it. Finished product. Venison summer sausage with cheese. Looking forward to the barbecue season this summertime. The festive season will be beautiful. Have a look at them, 30ml snags, beautiful and juicy and plump. They'll fill our bellies. Better try one. And there you have it, finished product, yummy. Like and subscribe, don't miss a thing. Next up, we've got some venison cabana sticks coming out. Tune in. Merry Christmas. Mmm.